We've all been there. You stumble upon an interesting topic online, eager to learn more. But then you're sucked into the content abyss. Hours melt away as you navigate through endless articles, videos, and websites, feeling increasingly overwhelmed and ultimately lost.
Sound familiar? Yeah, the content abyss is a real struggle. But hey, listen up, knowledge warriors. Today I'm here to share a secret weapon that will help you escape the abyss and become a learning master. We're talking about using the GPTs or plugins from ChatGPT, not just one, but 4 different tools to condense 2 hours worth of information and visually organize it within just 10 minutes. And trust me, the last one is a real beast. So ditch the endless scrolling and join me as we unlock the secrets to efficient and effective learning. In this video, we will use the example of understanding the quarterly earnings details for a publicly listed company. Complex enough? Tesla just announced its earnings on 24th of January 2024, and I want to know what has happened to Tesla in terms of financials and growth. I could go to YouTube and search for Tesla Q4 2023 earnings summary, and you can see there are a bunch of videos discussing how Tesla has performed, with durations like 40 minutes, 55 minutes, and 30 minutes. So if you don't have time to go through all the videos, here's what you can do. First, click on the video that interests you, and you must be bored to watch the entire video. Next, you copy the link and go to ChatGPT. I'm using ChatGPT 4 so that I can explore the different GPTs and other tools that I can use. Click Explore GPTs. From here, you are able to search for the GPTs that are released for the public. We are going to search for VoxScript. From here, you can see that there are a few GPTs that are very similar in names. You can take a look at the number of comments. The one with the highest number of comments is likely the most reliable one. So you can select this one and press Start Chat. Very simply, you just type Summarize the video, then you paste the link and press Allow. It gives you the summary of what this video is about. Now, you don't need to waste time for watching the entire video ever, but we are not yet done. Are you ready for the next level? We are going to look for more information from different sources to get an objective view of this subject. Next, you can continue to look for more videos and repeat the steps before. Or let's say you came upon a website and you want to summarize all the details on this page. I come to Google and same thing, I type in Tesla Q4 2023 earnings summary. And I found this link reported by CNBC, and the article is very long. I want to know what is happening in an instant. Very simply, I can just copy the link, go to ChatGPT again, and then explore GPTs. We search for Web Pilot. Again, you want to look at the highest number of comments. That means it is the most reliable GPT, and press Start Chat. Type Summarize this page, then paste the link here. ChatGPT has been reading the page and then summarizes the most important points on that page for us. If you're finding value in this video, give that like button a hit and subscribe to our channel. Your support fuels us to create more informative and helpful content for you. Great. Now, there are also some other ways to get information for the quarterly earnings. Let's say I went to the Tesla Investment Relations website and I'm able to download the shareholder deck. This is how the shareholder deck looks like, titled Q4 and FY 2023 Update, together with some of the highlights, summary of all the numbers, the financials, and so on. Now, I want to summarize this whole PDF without even looking at it. Very simply, I go back to ChatGPT, again explore GPTs, and now I'm going to search for Ask Your PDF. The first one has more than 400,000 comments. So this is the legit one. Press Start Chat. Now, for Ask Your PDF, it is a little bit special because you are going to upload your document to their website and not using this icon on the bottom left. It doesn't work for Ask Your PDF. I can first of all ask, how can I upload the document? Then it shows you that you have to go to this website to upload your documents, azurepdf.com. So, we click the link to go to the page and then select the file that we are going to summarize. Now the upload is complete. The next step is very important. You are going to copy the document ID. Let's copy it. Then you go back to ChatGPT. Tell the GPT to summarize this document for you and paste the document ID here. Wow, we obtained the summary of the document in just a few seconds. Up to now, here we have got 3 different summaries from 3 different sources. Now, how can I combine all of them together to give me the visual summary of the summaries? The next thing is that you go to ChatGPT again, explore GPTs. We are going to visually see what is happening for Tesla earnings this quarter. I can go to the GPT and search for Show Me. All right, this is a very powerful GPT. It allows us to visually see everything that we have given to this GPT. So now I want to summarize everything. First of all, because as long as I put something in the prompt, it will generate me a diagram. I don't want that to happen so soon because I want to consolidate everything from the 3 sources. The first thing I will write is type understood. After you receive this prompt, do not do anything just yet. All right, then we go to the first summary that came from the YouTube video. We have already gotten this summary, so we copy everything. Then we go back and paste, and by right, this GPT will just type understood, because I have explicitly asked the GPT not to do anything. The GPT types understood. Great. Now we are going to repeat the same thing for the second and third one. So, the second summary that we found from the CNBC website, copy everything, paste, and it should write understood. It means that this GPT has already registered 2 summaries from us. For the last one, I go back to the last summary from the quarterly report. Let's copy everything and paste here. It should say understood. Awesome. Take note, the next prompt is very important. I will write, based on the 3 prompts above, create a diagram that summarizes everything. Press allow. Now, this GPT has created a mind map for us based on all the information that we have given. Here, you can not just look at this mind map, but you can also view the full screen diagram, and even if you want to edit, you can click to this edit button using drag and drop. So, when you press that link, you will go to this website where you can edit anything that you would like to add or modify. This is a very powerful toolkit that you can utilize, and after you have adjusted everything, you can even export this board into PDF form as long as you sign up for it. Then, you can export this diagram into an image or PDF format. This is how powerful this GPT is. And there you have it, knowledge warriors. We've embarked on a journey together from the daunting depths of the content abyss to the enlightening peaks of concise comprehension. With the strategies and tools we've explored today, you now have the power to distill 2 hours of information into a mere 10 minutes of focused learning. Imagine the time you'll save and the insights you'll gain. If you found this guide to be your beacon of hope in the overwhelming sea of information, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support fuels our mission to demystify the vast world of knowledge and make learning accessible and enjoyable for everyone. But before you go, we're eager to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which tool you found to be the most powerful ally in your quest for efficient learning. Until next time, stay curious, stay smart, and never stop exploring. Because in the world of learning, every end is just the beginning of another exciting discovery. See you in the next video, Knowledge Warriors.